What if I told you that while AI can now translate conversations in real time, the demand for human translators has actually increased by 20% in the past 2 years? Sounds impossible, right? Today, we are diving deep into why AI is not replacing translators, but making the best ones absolutely irreplaceable. If you are a translator worried about your future, this video will show you exactly how to stay ahead of the curve. Problem: job displacement fears in translation industry. Let me guess, you have been hearing the horror stories. Google Translate getting better every day. ChatGPT translating entire documents in seconds. Companies bragging about their AI translation tools that work in over 100 languages instantly. And maybe you are lying awake at night wondering if your years of language expertise are about to become worthless. The fear is real, and I get it. Just last month, a major tech company announced they were using AI to translate their entire website into 50 languages overnight. Traditional translation agencies are cutting their rates because clients think AI can do it all. Freelance translators on platforms like Upwork are seeing clients ask why they should pay human rates when DeepL can translate for free. I have heard from translators who used to earn $60,000 a year and are now struggling to make $30,000 because basic translation work has been automated. Some are considering career changes after decades in the industry. Others are accepting rates so low they are barely covering their living expenses. The psychological impact is devastating. You spent years mastering multiple languages, understanding cultural nuances, building expertise in specialized fields like medical or legal translation. Now it feels like a machine can do your job in seconds. I have received emails from translators experiencing anxiety, depression, and genuine fear about their professional future. But here is what most people do not understand, and what the media is not telling you. This technological shift is creating more opportunities for skilled translators than ever before. The key word here is skilled. Reality check. What's actually happening in the translation industry? Here's the truth that will surprise you. While basic translation work is indeed being automated, the demand for high-level translation expertise has exploded. Companies are not just translating more content, they are translating more complex, culturally sensitive, and legally critical content than ever before. Netflix spent over $15 million last year, not on AI translation, but on human translators and cultural consultants to localize their content properly. Why? Because when AI translated a Korean drama, it turned a heartfelt confession into something that sounded like a business proposal. The cultural nuance was completely lost. Major law firms are hiring more translators, not fewer. Because legal documents translated by AI are creating million-dollar lawsuits. Medical device companies are doubling their translation budgets because AI mistranslations in user manuals can literally be life-threatening. Here are the actual numbers that will shock you. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment for interpreters and translators is projected to grow 20% from 2021 to 2031, much faster than the average for all occupations. The global language services market reached $56 billion in 2021 and is expected to reach $96 billion by 2030. But here is the crucial detail. This growth is concentrated in high-value, specialized translation work that requires human expertise working alongside AI tools. The translators thriving in this market are not competing against AI. They are leveraging it. The reality is this: AI handles the volume, but humans handle the value. And if you position yourself correctly, you will be earning more than ever before. Specific tools: the 5 key AI tools translation professionals use. Let me show you the 5 AI tools that top translators are using to become unstoppable in 2025. Tool number 1: computer-assisted translation with AI integration. We are talking about SDL Trudeau's Studio with AI features and Mamoke with artificial intelligence plugins. These are not just translation memories anymore, they are intelligent systems that learn from your style and suggest improvements. Top translators using these tools are completing projects 40% faster while maintaining higher quality than pure AI translations. Tool number 2: real-time quality assurance, AI Grammarly, business for multilingual content and language tool, plus are game changers. These tools catch errors that even experienced translators miss, but more importantly, they learn your preferences and help maintain consistency across massive projects. The translators using these tools are the ones getting the premium contract. Tool number 3. Cultural Context AI Analyzer. This is where it gets exciting. Tools like Localese AI and Phrase TMS with cultural intelligence features help you understand not just what to translate, but how cultural context changes meaning. A translator I know used these tools to help a dating app expand into 12 countries. The same English phrase needed completely different approaches in different cultures. Tool number 4. Voice and Video Translation Enhancement. Otter, AI Professional, and Rev AI are revolutionizing how translators handle multimedia content. Instead of struggling with poor audio quality, these tools create clean transcripts that you can then translate with full context. The demand for video content translation has grown 300% in 2 years. Tool number 5. Client Collaboration and Project Management. AI SmartCat and Localese are not just translation platforms, they are AI-powered project ecosystems. They help you manage clients, track changes, automate invoicing, and most importantly, they position you as a technology-forward professional that clients trust with their most important projects. Action Plan. Where to learn and get certified now? Where do you actually learn these tools and get the credentials that will set you apart? For computer-assisted translation, SDL Trados offers official certification through their SDL Trados Studio certification program. It costs around $300, but translators with this certification charge 25 to 40% more per word. You can also find comprehensive courses on LinkedIn Learning under Advanced Translation Technology. For quality assurance tools, Coursera has a digital marketing and language quality specialization that covers advanced proofreading AI tools. edX offers a professional translation certificate from University of California that specifically covers AI-assisted quality control. For cultural context analysis, the localization and cultural adaptation course on edX by University of Washington is phenomenal. It combines traditional cultural training with modern AI tools. LinkedIn Learning also has AI for content localization, which is updated quarterly. For multimedia translation, Rev.com offers free training for their AI tools, and completing their certification gives you access to their premium client network. For video translation specifically, Coursera has Digital Media Translation by University of Geneva for project management. SmartCat Academy is completely free and offers certifications that clients specifically look for. Localese has a translation technology mastery program that costs $150, but guarantees placement in their freelancer network. Most of these certifications take 2 to 6 weeks to complete, and the ones that cost money typically pay for themselves within the first month through higher rates. Success story. Real example of adaptation. Let me tell you about Maria Santos, a Spanish-English translator from Barcelona, who was earning about 2,000 euros per month, doing basic document translation 2 years ago. She was terrified when DeepL started producing Spanish translations that were getting better every month. Instead of panicking, Maria invested 3 months learning the 5 tools I just mentioned. She got certified in SDL Trados, mastered cultural context, AI, and specialized in legal technology translation using these advanced tools. Here is exactly how her transformation happened. Month 1. She took the SDL Trados certification course and immediately started using AI-assisted translation memories. Her productivity increased by 35%, allowing her to take on more projects. Month 2, she learned Localese AI for cultural context analysis and started specializing in fintech translations. Month 3, she mastered multimedia translation tools and began offering video localization services. The breakthrough came when a blockchain startup needed their app translated for Latin American markets. The AI translation was technically correct, but culturally tone deaf. Maria used her new AI tools to analyze spending behaviors, local regulations, and cultural communication patterns across 6 countries. She did not just translate text, she localized the entire user experience. Today, Maria earns over 8,000 euros per month. She works exclusively with fintech companies, helping them launch in Latin American markets. Her secret? She does not just translate their apps. She uses AI tools to analyze cultural spending habits, local regulations, and communication preferences to adapt the entire user experience. Just last month, she prevented a major banking app from launching with a feature that would have been illegal in Mexico. The AI caught the linguistic issue, but Maria caught the cultural and legal implications. The company paid her a €10,000 bonus and gave her a 2-year contract. Maria is not just surviving the AI revolution, she is thriving because of it. She went from competing on price to commanding premium rates for strategic cultural intelligence. Call to action here is your roadmap. Pick one of these 5 tools and start learning it this week. Do not try to master all 5 at once. That is a recipe for overwhelm. Start with the tool that matches your current specialization, get certified, and then add the others. The translators who act now will be the ones commanding premium rates, while everyone else is competing with AI on price. You have a choice: evolve with the technology or get left behind by it. If this video helped you see a clear path forward, smash that like button and subscribe to KB Blue Tree. For more insightful content about thriving in the age of AI, we are here to help you turn technological disruption into career acceleration. Let us know in the comments below what job we should cover next. Are you in graphic design, marketing, accounting? Tell us where you need guidance, and we will show you how to make AI your competitive advantage instead of your replacement. Your future as a translator has never been brighter. If you know how to harness these tools, the question is not whether AI will change translation work. The question is whether you will be ready when it does.